Before I formally start, I definitely don't want to embarrass Shikha, but it takes me back 7 years back. This is the day this Shikha was a very confident child, even as a 9-year-old, and she didn't want to stay in the school. And I had a tough time talking to the parents that somehow she should stay. I was not knowing that Shikha is going to top the school with 96.6% and will get admission in LSR in the first list for BA Honors Psychology. History is in the making. If I would have lost this child that day, I do not know what would have happened, and there are many stories like this. Good afternoon. Our founding chairman, Shri T.S.R. Subramanian, trustees, members of Vidyagyan board, distinguished guests, parents, teachers, and students. I welcome you all once again on this momentous occasion, the first graduation ceremony of Vidyagyan Leadership Academy. Vidyagyan came into being in 2009, and we have achieved an important milestone today. The growth and performance of our students is a manifestation of our belief that children from rural areas are equally talented but lack opportunities and conducive environment to succeed. This has also given us tremendous confidence that our efforts are in the right direction. Vidyagyan is not an ordinary school, for we do not just impart quality education to our students, but follow a structured approach to develop them into leaders of tomorrow. And this is done by providing them opportunities and resources that help inculcate leadership qualities. It's not surprising, therefore, that during the last 7 years of their stay in the school, our students excelled not only in academics, but also made their mark in sports, art, music, Olympiads, inter-school and national level competition, and have won many accolades. 3 students from Vidyagyan have been awarded the prestigious National Talent Search Examination Scholarship, a national level scholarship program of Government of India that identifies and recognizes students with high intellect and academic talent. Close to 50 lakh students appear in this scholarship exam every year, and only 1,000 scholarships are awarded. Another student has been awarded the Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana Scholarship, a fellowship program in basic sciences initiated and funded by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. For the last 3 years, our students have been regularly getting selected for the Kennedy Lugar Youth Exchange and Studies program funded by the US Department of State. This is a 1-year study program where our students have gone and lived with American families to attend high school in the US. Their 2 students have already attended this program, and this year another child is going for this program. Students from Vidyagyan also regularly go for summer programs at Lehigh and Brown University, the Duke Talent Identification Program, and leadership programs at the Doon School. Our girls athletic team won the Puma Speed Challenge and went to Bangalore to meet the renowned athlete Usain Bolt. I expect applause from the audience. In CBSE sports tournaments, school has won cluster championships many a times in different age group and have represented the school in nationals. School has been winners in the CBSE regional level science exhibition and have represented the school at the national level. Students have won many prizes in CBSE Expression Series, the online literary competition. Our school was among the top 10 schools in the country for the promotion of Sanskrit as a language and was awarded by the Ministry of HRD. School has been the winner of prestigious T-Gulf competitions, competing with the best schools in the country. As we move along, the exposure that our students get will only increase with access to more opportunities, both at national and international level. I also want to share with the audience that the students of Vidyagyan are encouraged to drive a positive impact through their community projects outside the school. They leverage their learnings to drive frugal innovations for their communities in the villages. Our students have designed and produced a simple tier, pitcher-based water filter to improve access to clean drinking water in their native villages. In another project, they created a smokeless oven to enable a healthy kitchen environment at their homes. Students also undertake adult literacy initiatives during their vacations where they teach two adults in their family and neighborhood to read and write and handle simple numerals and calculations. These initiatives ensure that students retain their community connect and also help build their character. We believe that great institutions are built with great teachers. I am proud to say that we have a team of experienced and dedicated teachers who are proud to be a part of this unique initiative, and it has been a life-changing experience for them. Like students, teachers also need to keep learning, and at Vidyagyan, we invest heavily into teacher development initiatives. In addition to in-house training programs, our teachers regularly attend workshops and training programs at IIMs by resource persons from colleges and universities from around the world, online courses by Harvard University, workshops organized by CBSE and other institutions. A teacher along with a student attended a 3-week program at the Field Museum at Chicago. A group of teachers went to UK for a 10-day exchange program. Today, as we celebrate the first milestone in the journey of Vidyagyan Leadership Academy, I want to take this opportunity to especially call out all those without whose support we would not have been seen this day. A big thank you to all the SCL volunteers who help us every year during the admission process. People from Shiv Nadar School, from Shiv Nadar University, from the foundation, from SSN, from the SCL family, your support has been invaluable. The board for guiding us through the last 7 years. Thank you to all my colleagues, especially the founding batch of faculty and staff. You made this journey possible. Let me also take a moment here to thank people who believed in our vision and are supporting the Vidyagyan students to continue their education journey. The H.T. Parekh Foundation, Australian High Commission, Wahani Scholarship, and several others. अब मैं यहाँ पे उपस्थित माता पिता और अभिभावक उनसे कुछ कहना चाहूँगा। मेरे ख्याल से सब ने, रोशनी, TSR सर, जो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर थे उन्होंने भी कहा। मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ, फाउंडेशन के सारे लोग, क्योंकि 7 साल पहले जब विद्याज्ञान शुरू हुआ था पता नहीं था इसका भविष्य कैसा होगा, लेकिन आपने अपना विश्वास हमारे ऊपर जताया और अपने बच्चों को हमारे सुपुर्द किया और 7 साल उन्हें पढ़ाने दिया। हम इसके लिए आपके लिए बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। जो बीज 7 साल पहले बोया गया था, ये माता पिता और अभिभावकों के लिए, मैं भी उनको देख रहा था जब यहाँ से वो आ रहे थे, किस तरह से उनमें बदलाव आया है। जो बीज 7 साल पहले बोया गया था वो एक स्वस्थ पौधे का रूप ले चुका है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आने वाले वर्षों में ये बड़े वृक्ष बनेंगे और ये वृक्ष छायादार भी होंगे और फलदार भी। जैसा कि सबने कहा, बहुत ज़रूरी है और मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास 7 साल है, मैं इन बच्चों को पढ़ा लूँगा, मेरी शायद जिम्मेदारी वहाँ ख़त्म हो जाएगी, लेकिन अब मुझे आगे बहुत बड़ा एक चैलेंज नज़र आ रहा है। किसी भी हालत में, ये अभिभावकों से मेरा अनुरोध है, करबद्ध प्रार्थना है, किसी भी हालत में इन बच्चों की पढ़ाई आगे रुके नहीं। रास्ता आसान नहीं होगा, संघर्ष करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर आपने 7 साल किया है, शायद अगले कुछ साल अगर आप हमारा साथ दे दें तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इन बच्चों का भविष्य बहुत बहुत उज्जवल होगा। My dear children, for the last 7 years we have made an earnest effort to give you good education values, skills, and more importantly, a positive sense of perceiving yourself. We have given you the wings, and now you need to fly and fly high. It is said that education is not complete without Guru Dakshina. As your Guru, I want you to make a promise to yourself that you will ensure that the foundation's effort in shaping your future comes to a fulfilling and deserving end. You owe it to your parents, to your teachers, to the foundation, to Roshni Didi and Nadar sir, to all the people who were there by your side throughout this journey. And most importantly, you owe it to yourself. The journey ahead will not be easy, but you should have the conviction and courage to succeed. As Roshni says, you need to be competitive, but you also need to be combative. Dear children, you have been with us for 7 years. We will miss you at Vidya Gyan, but this relationship does not end here. It's a relationship for life, and we will always be there to help and guide you. My best wishes to you all. Thank you.